Agently. Today we are going to discuss, there is a big change in Gram Panchayat limits. So we are going to discuss the update in model bylaws. So it is called as model bylaws 2025 update. So it was published in 8th 4 2025. So here if you see, based on, this is mainly on building construction, that is section 316 and 64, which is directly related to construction. So if you have any objection, you could have filed. So that is okay. So let us proceed. Let us see what are the four updates. There are four amendments done. So what is very mandatory? Let us see, and what is the main thing? What actually is a catch in this for properties? So let us see. These bylaws shall be called as Karnataka Gram Swaraj and Panchayat Raj, Zilla Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Gram Panchayat control over erection of building. Here you can understand it is mainly regarding the erection of building. Amendment Model Bylaws 2025. They shall come into force based on the publication date of publication. Amendment number 4. So this is the first amendment under clause number 4. Amendment of clause 4. You can see under 4D 14 4D 14. After this they are going to add, let us see what they are going to add under this section. So here is the main which has been updated. It is mandatory registration with RERA, that is Real Estate Regulatory Authority, shall be imposed in the letter of approval of building in the converted land. So this is mainly for builders. It looks because converted land it is told. It is not told as approved properties. Converted lands it is told. So mainly it has to be for maybe building construction or layout development also. It has to be, maybe I'm not sure 100% on this, because it is told one thing is converted land. So this is directly applicable for properties which has been converted from agriculture to residential use or commercial use. So that is one thing which is told, and another thing shall be mandatory for the following. It will be mandatory. Before RERA was not mandatory, I guess. If you want, you had to take, or else no. Now it is mandatory in the plan approval of building plan imposed in the letter of approval of building plan it is telling. It is not telling layout also. So mostly it has to be only for apartments, constructions of building. So it is mandatory for a RERA approval. So this is one amendment which is going to impact a lot. For buyer side, it is quite good that you will have a RERA approval also together, and in the plan they have to impose and they have to write regarding the RERA. So this is one thing. So amendment of clause 12. This is another one. Clause 12. In the said bylaws 12 following provision shall be inserted, namely this is going to be inserted in clause 12, provided that the completion letter from local planning authority with regards to the construction of building, completion letter from local planning authority, once it is completed, that is final order construction of building in accordance with approved plan, if it is constructed as per the approved plan, and the rules shall be submitted with competent authority. They have to submit the documents to competent authority. It is not a major thing, I guess. Amendment of clause 13. So three updates, I guess, not 4. It is 3. The shall come into, okay, yeah, 3. In the said bylaws clause 13, the following provision shall be inserted, namely this provision you can see, provided that after getting the completion certificate, after getting CC completion, it is not OC, it is CC completion certificate. Okay, so something similar to OC only, from the qualified architect who are supervisors with regard to the completion of building and work. So once based on the architect, if he gives the completion certificate, Panchayat Development Officer along with Technical Officer of Local Planning Authority have to visit the construction site. So both together has to visit. It is not only the panchayat development officer, technical officer of local planning authority has to visit the construction site to inspect the construction and confirm the construction is in accordance to the approved building plan. It has to be as per the approved building plan, no deviations. And also the project is approved by RERA and to certify the same with joint signature. They have to certify with joint signature confirming that there is RERA approved, and completion certificate is based on the plan which is being given. Development officer of panchayat and technical officer of local planning authority has to confirm this. So this is one major change, and mandatory of RERA is the biggest change in this. So main thing what we understood from this is mandatory of RERA is being implemented in the plan itself. So RERA has to be, so builders has to take RERA. Without RERA they can't proceed now. So that is a good thing for buyers. It will help a lot regarding the property information, each and everything. So good luck, Agent Clear Property Analyst. Thank you.